Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word cocoa. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I love to make homemade hot cocoa on a cold winter's day. Cocoa refers to a hot drink made from cocoa powder, sugar, and milk, or the powder itself derived from the cacao bean and used in confectionery. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.